Hello, I'm Rochelle from Nerd News Social. I am their family rep, and today I will be unboxing this Onanoff BuddyPhones School Plus headphones. So this box is very nicely made. It says safe audio is 85 decibels. That's the World Health Organization's recommended safe zone, which also here it shows fireworks and rock concerts, super loud. What is this, texting? Talking normally. And whispering are 30 and 60, so 85 is a nice, safe audio level. They also have a buddy cable for sharing. You can share up to 4 different cables. There's a high-performance beam mic also included, and a travel bag, so you can fold it all up and take it along with you when you travel safely. I'll show you the back as well. Again, it shows that it's super durable. It looks like it's really well made. We'll see when we open it. They have the detachable beam mic, and it's also high performance. It also includes sweat wicking fabric for long uses, and it includes do-it-yourself stickers, so you can personalize your little stickers there. Write your name or whatever you want. Same kind of thing on the side. And you have this little cute boy looking really happy wearing them. 1 in 8 kids has hearing damage from listening to headphones too loud. I had no idea. So yeah, this is they want to promote this for being like a very safe product, especially because kids are now learning remotely with the pandemic and everything. So this is a very safe way for kids to learn. And let's open it up. I have my little kid-proof scissors here so I don't cut myself. I don't even know if these are sharp enough to open. Let's see. Okay. Maybe. I like this little hanger thing here too. Ooh, it's always so exciting opening up new products. Okay, so here they are. They are so cute. So little. I think they would actually fit on my 2-year-old's head, but I think these are 3 and up. I'll look and double check that. Let's see what the instructions say. Oh, here's a little bag, travel bag. So you can just easily put them inside here, fold them up, put them in. Oh, and apparently you get free Musilla Music School a trial inside. So this is what that is, for those of you who like music. Just the typical, like, this is our product type of thing. Thanks for purchasing. And oh, so these are the little stickers that are included. So, oh, they come in like different colors. Green, blue, yellow, red, or pink. And oh, here's the one where you can create your own if you wanted to. If you have a little creative bug in you. And here, oh wow, this is pretty thick. All the instructions in various different languages. Instructions on how to care for them properly, I'm guessing. So, that's good. All right. What else do we have here? We have the cables. This looks like it's the detachable piece, the beam mic. And yeah, here's a little headphones. So you can see the material looks really nice. Feels pretty solid. It is made of plastic, of course, but what isn't these days? You have your on and off. Made in China. So yeah, very cute. I think they're adjustable. Oh, there you go. I always get a little nervous. I don't want to break anything. But so you can adjust it as your kid gets older, because kids grow super fast, as we know. And let's see, we can plug this in here. Okay. There it goes. We'll unwrap this cable here. Get a little look at this. So yeah, you can share with up to 4 people. Here's another cable for that purpose. And yeah. Pretty cute. I'm excited for my daughter to try these out. Thank you for watching, and yeah. So one more thing I would like to mention is that this product has been named CES's 2021 Innovation Awards honoree, and we wrote up a review about this on our new social, so please check that out if you get a chance. And if you are in need of something like this for your kids, please check them out as well. Onanoff, BuddyPhones School Plus. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. And keep following us on our new social.